Okay, so I picked up a pair of Denali D3s, and we're going to be installing them on the Indian Pursuit today because I can't find anywhere that's got a video. This is what they come like. I'll be using the Spotlight version of them. And you have to take off your hard lowers first. And for that, you'll need 10mm socket. And there's three, 1, 2, and 3. These usually sit here, here, and then down there. You have to undo those. And then there's some bolts on the inside that use a T40 Torx. And that is on this little bit right here. Once you get all the torque bits out of there, you'll take the case off, and then there's a temporary cap in there, and you'll pull that off. So here I put the pod in this side, and what I did for this is I drilled a hole in the middle here to allow for the cable to come through, and then put a grommet around it to seal it. And I'm going to run the cable up the side up here. Here I've installed the lower hard fairing on again, and you can see the wire coming out of the back of the fog light. Then I just ran it up the side through one of the holes in the front there, and then it will come out here, and I'll plug it in. To attach the wiring harness to the battery, you need a T40 Torx wrench, and there's 2 screws right here and there that you need to remove out. You'll need to remove the screws off the terminals here and here, and go ahead and get your harness, and the fused red wire will go to the red, and the black will go to the black. So one of the last little bits of this is you gotta plug in the white wire to a switched power 12 volt. So what I did, I came over here to the, took the cowling off the motorcycle, came over here, and underneath this section where a VCM goes that I do not have, there's a plug that supplies it, and I went with a 10 pin on this one and tapped it in, and then I ran the cord back over, and we can test that out.